Welcome all. Let's talk about polygon law. To understand this law, we need to consider an object which has been applied by a system of forces. The first force is towards eastward. The magnitude of that force is F1. Similarly, on the body, there is second force applied which is in the direction of the northeast. The third force on the body is in the direction of southeast with a magnitude of F3. And the last force is in the direction of south. The magnitude of that force is F4. Now this is one example of a force system. You can choose any force system. Now the question here is that where the object will move. So after the application of the first load, the object will move here. Now after the application of the second force, the object will reach at its desired location. Similarly, you can move the object with other forces also. Now finally, after the application of the last force, the object will reach at its required destination. But there is another way to find the location of this object, and that too a shortcut method. So in that method, you need to start with the first point of the first force to the last point of the last applied force. So this is what is the path of resultant. Fine. So this is called resultant, and you can see that by doing so you made a polygon. So this is also called a polygon law. It states that if a number of concurrent forces acting simultaneously on a body are represented in magnitude and direction of a polygon taken in order, then the closing side of the polygon represents the resultant in the opposite direction.